Hey everyone, I want to tell you about one of my favorite Chrome extensions that I use in my classroom that really helps the students. And to find this Chrome extension, the first thing you're going to go to is the Chrome store and type in the name of the extension. It's called KAMI or Kami. And I already have it installed, but it's the Kami PDF and document markup. So you just go ahead and add to Chrome. And every time that you open up your Chrome browser when you're logged in, you will be able to have access to this no matter what computer you use. This is really helpful as students go between mobile laptops, their computers at home, or if they're in a regular computer lab here at school. And what this is great with the PDF, it allows the kids to digitally annotate. And as you can see, I have this article already pulled up, and I'll talk about the different tools they have. So the first thing we have is our highlighter tool. And again, you can pick the color and just go ahead and highlight something that you think is important. And you're able to take the digital highlighting tool, select yellow, and it'll highlight what you think in that color. Now, let's say you have some information you want to add. You can change the color. And you want to add something to remember, this is why I wanted to highlight this. You go ahead and create a text box. And you just type in text, and you'll type in, this is very important. And see, I've got it hovered over here, and you really can't see it, so I grab this tool, and I will be able to move it. So you can see you can't just click on the tool, you take the whole thing and move the text around. As you go through, you can also do equations, you can do drawings, if I want to make a smiley face. Hey, this is great. So it allows the kids to do math on this, not just things for English. You can insert images so they can go ahead and do different things with it. I'm going to show you this. Here we have, say I want to analyze some author's claims. I have a digital worksheet for the students. Again, I'd create a text box and go ahead. The author's main claim is that we need to help other countries. Okay, so let's say we have students who want to do different shapes. They can go ahead and draw the shapes. They're going to put a square, make sure it stands out. They can put the information right in there. Then do lots of things with this app. I really like it because as we go through, and some students may have trouble writing, they may have trouble keeping up with what the teacher's saying, they can just go ahead, if the document is online, just go ahead and type in it. And the other great part of this is it is functional within Google Classroom. You can, if you pay for the extra Kami subscription, create a Kami assignment right in Google Classroom and have it go to your students. But if you want to just have the free version, again, you can just have a PDF, assign it to Google Classroom. If the kids have Kami installed, they can go ahead and do it right in this. And I like this app because it's very easy to use, and I use it so much. And even I give, if I make my annotations ahead of time for the students, I can give them a digital copy of the annotations so that they don't have to keep up with what we're doing in class. So that makes, it's a really important thing to be able to differentiate that way for our students who may not be able to keep up with the writing that we're doing. And it also helps it be a little more discreet. The students don't know who has the pre-annotated copy and those who are annotating on their own. So that's one of the reasons I really love this app, and it's a great Chrome extension.